Hello everyone, this is Ashrita, first year BTech student presenting a video assignment on CAD. CAD, Computer Aided Engineering. CD is used in computer software to stimulate performance in order to improve product design or assist in resolution of engineering problems for wide of industries. This includes stimulation, validation, and optimization of products, process, and manufacturing tools. A typical CAE process comprises of pre-processing, solving, and post-processing steps. In the pre-processing phases, engineering model, geometric and physical properties of design, as well as the environment in the form of applied loads of constraints. Next, the model is solved by using approximate formulations for handling the physics. In post-processing phase, the results are presented to engineering review. CAE is the computer software stimulated to perform in order to improve product design or assist in realization of engineering problem for wide of industries. In this includes stimulation, validation and optimization of products, processing and manufacturing tools. A typical CAE process comprises of pre-processing, solving and post-processing steps. In the pre-processing phase, the engineering model of the geometrical and physical properties of design, as well as the environment in the form of applied loads and constraints. Next, the model is solved to propagate some model formulation of underlying physics. The applications: stress and dynamic analysis of components and assemblance of finite elements analysis. Terminal fluid analysis using computer fluid dynamics. And we use dynamic analysis. Stimulation of manufacturing process like casting, molding, dyeing, pressing, forming, etc. Let's begin with our CAD drawing. So, this is the software we use for doing the CAD drawing. First, we need to do the seat setup. Here, we have to choose the A4 and we should unselect this and we should save it as default and OK. Then we have to maximize the screen. So, let's start with our first question. This is the first question. The question says, draw the projections of following points on the same line xy, keeping the consideration distance between each projections. Name the quadrant in which they lie. Question A, 30 mm above the HP and 35 mm in front of VP. B, 30 mm above HP and 40 mm behind VP. D, 35 mm below HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So let's begin. So, we drew a line called XY. Let's name it as X and Y. So next, select a line and the first question given of A is 30 mm above the HP. So we need to draw 30 mm above the HP. Select 30 and press enter. Select it as a straight line and click. This is the line 30 mm. So next, the second line says, the same line says 35 mm in front of VP, which means the same line from the XY to the 35 mm. This is the line A. So we need to show the smart dimension. Smart dimension of this line is here. This is 30 mm and about this line is here, it's 35 mm. So this is the first line. We need to draw the same other two projections has shown in this question, which is 30 mm above the HP. And which is the 40 mm behind the VP, which comes here. So now we need to do the smart dimension of this line, which is 30 mm. The next line says 35 mm above the HP, below the HP. And it says 30 mm above the HP. We need to show the smart dimension. We need to show the smart dimension of this. Here's the question. Here we have projected all the lines, as you can see. This is an example for a basic CAD drawing. We can do the other questions by inserting the other page. Here you can see.